Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking onto this video, and please don't forget to subscribe before you leave. So first things first, I just want to say hi to all the new subscribers. I gained a good amount of you on that last video that I posted about what I think Jeffree's going to be coming out with his new collection. I'll tag that video up here in case you guys missed it. But yes, hi, thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you for joining our little family here, and stick around because there's some amazing Jeffree content coming your way with all the launches and releases he's doing in 2020. Just know there's tons of videos coming to you. So before we get into my favorite products from Jeffree Star Cosmetics, I wanted to touch base with you guys on the giveaway that I announced in my last video. So the details I'm going to be revealing this video. I thought it would be such a fun and amazing idea to do a Jeffree Star mystery box, but of my own. As I mentioned before, I have so many backups and duplicates of products from his, ranging from all his different collections. So I really want to gift that out back to you guys, back to the people who didn't get a chance to get a mystery box, whether you couldn't afford it or you couldn't get it in time. It's a chance for you guys to get your own very special mystery box, and it's gonna be good. I'm not gonna put stickers in it. Just kidding. I actually really like the stickers, but whatever. There's gonna be at least 5 items, and they're ranging from all different types. You're not just gonna get 5 liquid lipsticks or anything like that. So I am so excited. So please stick around to the end of the video so you guys can learn how to enter, and the best of luck to you. I hope you guys win this really special mystery box. And yeah, let's jump right into the video, guys. So I don't know if you've taken a look at my channel, but I've reviewed a ton of Jeffree's launches. I am an absolute fanatic of his brand. I cannot get enough of it. I have a pretty good experience of what kind of stuff he carries in his line, and out of everything, these are the items that are my favorite. So first things first is gonna be the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Skin Frosts. I absolutely love this formula. I currently own the shades Peppermint Frost as well as Siberian Gold. I am new to the highlights. They're relatively new in my collection, like I'd say for the past couple of months, but I've very much enjoyed using them. I think they're absolutely beautiful. You know, like vintage old school highlights, like from back in the day before they were like so like luminous and whatever, like when they were really old school, blinding to the gods highlights. These are very much that type of formula. I've been really very much enjoying them. And yeah, they're really fair price. Like, look at the size of this component here. I mean, it's giant, like it's super big. I love the Barbie Fierce packaging. I think it's so beautiful. And these average, I believe, at about $27 or $28 US. So they're extremely fair priced. It says here that there is 15 grams. It's 15 grams net weight, and I think that's a giant amount of product. Like, you are not gonna get through this. Do you know what I mean? Like, you'll have it for years and years and years. And yeah, guys, if you were gonna be delving into his brand, I think a great place to start would be the Skin Frost highlights. And moving on to the next favorite product that Jeffree Star provides in his line, that's gonna be the most underrated product that he carries, and that's his lip ammunitions. Guys, believe me when I tell you, these are absolutely beautiful. I much prefer them over his liquid lips that for me can be a little bit drying. They are beautiful. Like, I have the shade Cherry Wet. It used to be my go-to reddy, pinky, gorgeous pop of color of a lip. I absolutely love it. Recently, in one of the mystery boxes, I got a lip ammunition and I fell in love with it. Not only is it long wearing, but it's so comfortable on your lips. You're not gonna get butthole, crackly lips. It's long lasting, it looks creamy and smooth. It feels creamy when it goes on. Absolutely his most underrated product. I highly suggest you guys give it a try. These average out at about $18 US each, which is totally run-of-the-mill average price, totally worth your money. I cannot wait to get more colors. I'm in love with it. I currently own Celebrity Skin, and I literally cannot get enough of it. It is such a good nude. Highly suggest you guys give his lip ammunitions a run. I know that he gets more attention for his liquid lip, but I really think that these just went under the radar and not enough people talk about them. They are so good. And moving on to my absolute favorite makeup item that Jeffree Star Cosmetics produces, lashes, that would be their unbelievable eyeshadows. Guys, I have said it till I'm blue in the face, and I will say it a million bazillion times more. Jeffree Star Cosmetics owns the absolute best shadows on the market, in my opinion, and believe me, I've done the legwork. I'm a makeup addict. I own a ton of different palettes. I love the palettes that Jeffree Star Cosmetics comes out with. I love the packaging. I know for some people it is a downside, the packaging, because it tends to be a little bit more bulky, therefore a little harder to store. For me, it's an upside. It almost makes me feel more special to use the actual eyeshadows. I love how unique and different his packaging is. I love that they're all like kind of like in the shape of a trunk, and even when they're like more sleek and slender, they're beautiful. They have texture on the actual packaging, like Jawbreaker here. As you can tell, it's like sleek and slender. It's not like in the shape of a coffin like these guys or like Blue Blood, but this is even so unique and pretty in its packaging. I love it. My top 3 absolute favorite eyeshadow palettes from him. Number 1 is Jawbreaker, number 2 is Blood Sugar, and number 3 is Conspiracy. These are amazing palettes. I would not be able to live without them in my collection. In terms of pricing, they all average out at about $52, and believe me when I tell you that it is well worth the money. The actual quantity that you receive per pan is honestly amazing. I own a ton of his palettes, and when I tell you I use them all the time, I have never hit pan on even one. Like never. He gives such good quantity for the price you pay. It's a collector's item at this point for me and for so many other people, and I absolutely love his eyeshadows. If I was gonna say for you to try one thing in his brand before you try anything else, it would be his eyeshadows. They're so revered in the makeup industry and in the makeup community. I absolutely love them. And yeah, guys, that pretty much concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. As you can tell, I am a Jeffree Star fanatic, so I could just talk about him for days and days and days. I love the products he comes out with. He comes out with beautiful, high quality makeup. I highly suggest you try anything you can from the line, but like I said, the lip ammunition, the skin frost, as well as his eyeshadows are my personal favorite things from him and what I would suggest for you to get. And now let me let you know about the giveaway rules. First of all, this is an international giveaway. I'm all the way up in Canada, so every giveaway is pretty much international. The majority of my audience is in America, so it's international. What you need to do, you need to make sure you've liked this video. You need to make sure you leave me a comment on this video, and you need to make sure you are subscribed. You will also get extra recognition if you follow me on Twitter as well as Instagram, because I'm really working on growing this channel, and the more people and the more followers and the more eyes I get on me, I can really expand it. It's my true passion and I absolutely love it. I wish you guys the best of luck in the giveaway. I truly, from my heart, am giving it to you. I think everyone deserves to try Jeffree Star Cosmetics products, even if you don't have the means to get it. And yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to give this video a like. Please don't forget to leave me a comment. And please don't forget to subscribe. It really helps me out when you guys subscribe. And I will catch you on the next video. Bye, guys.